guys, so today's tutorial is all about creating 5 easy updos and hairstyles. Many of you have been complaining a little bit about my tutorials being too long or taking too much time, too much product, too much tools. So I decided to create 5 easy updos that everyone, and I mean everyone, can create in the morning before leaving to work, to school, for a mom who doesn't have a lot of time. So no more complaining from now on. These tutorials will help you to create the perfect updo in just minutes. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's tutorial. Let me know when you try those updos and tag me in your pictures. I'm always checking on Instagram. So make sure to give this tutorial a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber yet, please do. And I really hope to see you next time. Bye!